Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout for the Mercy Terry Kit Club, and I am using the Outdoorsy kit. Now, these kits come with lots of different collections and they're beautifully curated. I get the main kit, I have got the embellishment kit, as well as the cardstock kit. I even have the 2 new stamps this month. And they're so cute. I have the Nope stamp set and the Outdoorsy stamp set, and they're so cute. Look at these little florals and the wonky hexes, so cute. Ooh, vacay might be good. And the little camera. Anywho, so I have all kinds of cute things, is my point. Now, I have this photo of my youngest, and we were just at a Biggby coffee shop, and we were in northern Michigan. We were actually in Traverse City. And I was embarrassing my daughter by taking pictures of her, partially because she doesn't love her picture taken, so I was doing it. Anywho, so I thought I would do a quick little document on this photo. It's not like the most important photo in the world, but it was fun, and we had a girls' trip, and yeah, we went and did our thing. Now, I'm gonna concentrate on, for this one, to start, who knows where it's going to go, on the Cardabella here, there, and everywhere. And I want to spend some time fussy cutting out these gorgeous, gorgeous florals. I think that the color palette is super beautiful. And I also love that they're on this like chalkboardy black background. So I know I want to fussy cut that out. So I'm going to move that to the side. Then what do I want to do about design, guys? Ooh. That's beautiful. Guys, did you see this? Kind of have an idea to use like a dark background and then bring in some strips of these papers. Now, all of these papers are gorgeous in that they have a tone on tone. I think this will be my background. They have this great tone on tone, so you can totally go off and have lots of different papers represented, even if you don't necessarily. Let me say that again. You can have all kinds of different patterns, right? But they're pretty calm as things go, at least for me. I don't do a ton of calm. So what I'm gonna do, I have stripes kind of going this way. And I know I also want to get some of this floral in. So I'm thinking about getting 5 different strips of paper. Now, so maybe I should go like 1.5 inch. What do you guys think? Like if I did, let's see what 1.5 looks like really quick. Let's see. Doesn't look like much. So I'm going to do 5. Why don't we do 2-inch pieces of paper? I have an idea. I don't know how well this idea is going to be executed, but I do have an idea. So I'm going to get 2 inches of these deeper patterns, but I'm also going to do 2 inches of the bright floral because I like it. All right, I really think this one is beautiful. Now, it's kind of this black paper that's kicking this idea off. I think it was a clever pick. So let's see. Where is that one? This one right here. Yes, yes, yes. I want some of this in here, I think it is ZB's knees. And I know I'm not going to do full size ones. I know it's going to be scuffed up. Guys, I don't even really have a true plan yet. I'm just going for it. Okay, because I wanted to use lots of patterns. So let's see what we can do here. I have 2 of this beautiful floral, and then I have these colors. Nope, don't like those next to each other. So let's do this, break them up a little bit. Oh yeah. Apparently we're going to be stacking different pieces. I want to do that. I wouldn't mind having like that strip, the little pluses between some of them. And I'm thinking we need to have torn edges. There we go. Like it better already. Not going to measure. I mean, we pretty much know how it's going to go, so it's fine. We have that. And then I need to scuff it, and I think I need a little sewing line between them as well. I think that's what needs to happen. Okay, So I'm going to scuff them up and just get some sewing lines through them. And I'm going to leave the strings kind of willy-nilly. I do have a piece of cardstock that I had previously scuffed up and I was going to use. Did that just go kaplooey? I'm trying to use up all of these bits and pieces of things right now. There it goes. It's going back in. You know, of different adhesives. So I know that seemed a little weird that I had that little thing, but I want it out of my room. Okay, so and this will be my photo. So, phew, I've got all of these pieces. That would do something so cute for a layout. So what I'm gonna do, scuff these up, these pieces, and this outside blackish piece, right? Then I'm going to fussy cut a bazillion of these out. I'm going to do sew lines on here and put them down, and then I want these floral pieces popped up and coming in a cascade all the way down here. Yeah, that sounds like it's going to take about 3 days to do, but I'm going to go do my homework, the sewing, the scuffing, all of that kind of stuff, pop it down. I'll come back, we'll have a little chat, and I'll put those florals right down. So let's check in. I have everything on this page is popped down. Let's see, I'm doing a little bit of folding on my pieces, but I want to show you where we are with all of this fun. Okay, let's go ahead and go like this, maybe a little fold there, because I always like to see the pattern underneath. So I do have all my strips are sewn down. Well, they're not sewn down. I sewed the strips and then attached them. I like to leave the fun stringy bits. I think it's great texture. And then all of these florals, I only cut out the full-size ones. I figure I can use these for something else because I wasn't having any run off of the page this time. And they're all popped up on a little bit of dimensional adhesive, and my photo is as well. So that's what we have. Now, I went ahead and grabbed this piece with the chipboard phrases and popped out the one that reads hello. What else have I done so far? Oh, and then these pieces, these are in the die cuts for Cartabella here, they're everywhere. And what I want to do is I'm actually going to fussy cut out the camera, the lemon, the little rainbow, the macaron, and the little buggy bit, and then have some more fun little die cut pieces in there. That's my plan for that. And now I'm looking at this, like I like the emoji smiley, be the good, love. I like the ones, be a rainbow. So I like all of the phrases that are in black on here, and I think I want to tuck them in. This hello, I think I'll just go ahead. And I'm just going to kind of messily put these on top of the flowers with just a little bit of liquid adhesive, and then start tucking all of these fun little bits in. So I'm going to come back in a minute, probably finish up with some of these great brads because it's going to give me a little bit of metallic. We'll do that, probably some white splatty bits because I think that would look gorgeous. And guys, we're going to wrap this right up. I think this has been a blast, but I need to fussy cut some of these bits out. Oh, guys, and I also have this confetti to put on there. So we've got some things to do. I'm going to get these done. I'll come back and do the brads with you. And we'll go from there. I went ahead and tucked some of those cute little pieces that I fussy cut out. I definitely want to get, look at how cute the little lemon is. I definitely want to get this little smiley face in, and I'm wondering, do I put it right by the hello? And right now my title is Hello, I Love You, because I thought that would, oh, guys, there's a little lemon, and the lemon didn't get tucked in. Don't know why right now I'm drawn to yellow today. It's the funniest thing. Do you guys ever notice that? Like there's like these phases that just keep happening that you're like, oh, I want everything yellow today. Or you go like clothing shopping and you come home and everything's the same shade of blue. I don't know. It's a thing. All right, so I've got this love. I've got this be the good. And then there is, oh, be a rainbow. I was thinking, oh, there's another, oh gosh, they're getting stuck together. We're having issues. Oh, Lord. And then I did it on top of this too. Guys, these are actually sticky. There we go. I've got another smiley, and that smiley is adorable. So I've got one there. All right, let's do Be a Rainbow. Actually, the Be a Rainbow should maybe be By the Rainbow, but is that too trite? Like, Be a Rainbow. Let's see. I like this Be the Good. Always liked that saying. And then, where's my love? Maybe that's enough. Okay, that's enough. I like the 2 blacks. And then let's make sure to get this other smiley on here. I can put it with my macaron. Macaron means nothing. I just happen to like it. Okay, we have that. And I'm very happy there. Let's look at some of these decorative brads. All right, she doesn't have sunnies on. Got a camera right there, the Instax. We do have a buggy bit there, so why don't we tuck one right under there? I like these really, oh, I like the peace sign. Maybe we can tuck that with that Be the Good one so that they really show up. And I'll do the same thing with this one under the H. I think that would be good. I need to get more adhesive on these letters. Okay, so I've got this really nice flow of sparkly bits. Let me go ahead and just tuck a couple more of these really pretty bits. So you see shine going all the way up. That would make me rather happy. So we'll do one right there as well. All right, so that's lots of those bits. I'm very happy there. So all I have left, aside from getting my letters down just a little bit better, I want to get some of these beautiful sparkly bits down and some white splatty bits, guys, and then I'm going to be done. So I will come back, show you the finished layout. Of course, I'll have still shots, all that kind of stuff to follow. Is there anything else to tell you guys? Oh, I got that one down. No, so I just have a couple other little housekeeping things to do, and this layout will be finished, but it's been so much fun. All right, I want to get a little bit of these sparkly goodies all the way up. And I just finished up. I put some of those fun little confetti pieces all the way up and some white splatty bits. And then this layout, my friends, is finished. It was super, super fun to create. Love to do some sewing on my layout. Love to fussy cut. I know if you've been with me for a minute, you guys have seen this kind of thing a time or two. But I had tons of fun. Used so many goodies and the tucking and the fun little splatty bits. All of it comes together and helps to tell my story. I'm going to have some still shots to follow. I will have links down below for Mercy Tierra's Kit Club website and the Facebook group. Go to the website, grab your kits, and come to the Facebook group and show us what you're creating. So I will have a couple still shots right there, and I'll see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.